Hi guys, it's Seat. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. In this Ukrainian update we are going to see some hardcore battlefield footage which will again show the superiority of the Western armor systems against Russians, and also we are going to see some unrests in Russia itself, and those unrests are again showing the dividing nature of Russian society. Let's see the update.
The video that went around yesterday showing Ukrainian infantry near Stepov, Avdiivka frontline, defending a position when Russian BMP attempted a breakthrough. An M2 Bradley arrived to decimate the Russian vehicle point blank. The video is by 109th Separate Territorial Defense Brigade. Ukrainian drone operators of the Shadow Aerial Reconnaissance Unit detected a rare Russian vehicle and recorded the first destruction of Russia's newest RB-109A Bylina electronic warfare system. The Russian army had planned to put the Bylina into service only in 2025, but due to military needs and considerable electronic warfare systems losses in the war, it was delivered somewhat earlier than scheduled. Man, I'm just impressed by how low the survivability of Russian equipment can be. One of the largest rallies in Russian Federation since the beginning of the full-scale war against Ukraine is currently taking place in Bashkortostan. It is being dispersed by special forces. Thousands of people gathered outside the courthouse to support local activist Fail Alsinov, who was charged with inciting hatred. Today, the court sentenced him to 4 years in a general regime colony. In October 2022, Fail Alsinov wrote an appeal calling on Bashkirs not to participate in the war in Ukraine. The head of Bashkiria, Radi Kabirov, wrote a denunciation on the activist. He also demanded to check the activist for discrediting the army and public calls to extremism. This morning in Bashkiria's Baimak, the internet was cut off and all entrances to the courthouse where the activist's sentence was announced were blocked. Despite this, residents abandoned their cars and walked to the court. The law enforcers started beating and detaining the gathered people, as well as putting them face down in the snow. One of the protesters was handed a summons. The riot police used tear gas, but the activists took away their batons and threw pieces of ice at them. Fail Alsinov is one of Bashkortostan's best-known public figures. He participated in many protest actions in the Republic. He also headed the national organization Bashkort, which advocated the sovereignty of Bashkortostan. Alsinov actively participated in protests against gold mining in the region in 2023.
Смотрите, чтоб тухлые даруланы! Вы что делаете? Зачем избиваете? Почему избивают? Ну вот смотрите, что делают, смотрите!
Дай команду мирным путем решить, без силового применения.
Смотрите, вот избивают! Почему? Что делаете? Не трогайте, не поза. Почему избиваете? Вот что делаете? Не...
I hope you liked this video, especially the work of US Bradleys at Avdiivka frontline. Comment, like, subscribe, become a member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.